Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and archive channels on your Discord server. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So to be real with you, there's no such thing as archiving a channel on your Discord server, but you can go ahead and stimulate it, and that is by simply creating a new category. So let me just go ahead and do that, and it's going to be called archive, of course. And I'm going to make it private. Click on next, and once you've done that, only let it or allow it to certain roles. And now on this archive channel, I can simply go ahead and drag the channel or drag the channels that I don't want people seeing. And when I simply go ahead and drag that over here, there you go. As you can see, it will also simply sync the permissions as well. And now this will be a hidden channel by simply not allowing any other people to go ahead and have the access to it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.